Hey everybody, today we are going to look at depression from a very different and unique perspective. But before we go into the details, I want to mention here Dr. Richard A. Friedman, a very famous psychiatrist who explored a growing trend in academic circles to view depression as a natural condition that, like ordinary sadness, may provide evolutionary advantages. Dr. Friedman writes, "What is natural, the thinking goes, is best. If we are designed to suffer depression in response to life's ills, there must be a good reason for it, and we should allow it to take its painful and natural course." We all need to understand this simple fact that being sad, gloomy, and depressed is a total normal, natural thing. I personally wonder, seeing all this fuss made over the medication of depression. Well, a severe and serious depression needs medication and consultancy, but normal and routine depression is okay. Rather, I would say a necessary thing for life. Imagine being happy all the time. What is the value of happiness if you're happy all the time? Absolutely nothing. You cannot feel the pleasures of happiness until you're not sad and depressed, right? You cannot enjoy being happy until you're not sad. That's very simple thing. The value of light is because of the presence of darkness. Obviously, if there is darkness, we value light. The value of health is fully known when we feel sickness. Similarly, we value happiness after we experience depression and anxiety and sadness. So, ladies and gentlemen, enjoy your depression. Enjoy being sad and gloomy. Feel these conditions with the relief that after this there will be happiness, and you will realize and feel it with full bloom. The best way, according to me, to deal with depression is to do something exciting, like do some gym thing. Go for a long walk, take tea at your favorite spot, meet some old friends, watch some exciting movie, read a good and motivational book, or something like that. So being depressed is a totally normal, natural thing. That's what Dr. Richard A. Friedman says. So enjoy your sadness. That's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. See you next time.